Suno can turn your idea into a complete song, while Voicemod can completely transform your voice in real time. But which AI is actually better? I tested both, and the answer depends on what you're trying to create. So let's compare Suno AI versus Voicemod AI for music, vocals, voice effects, creativity, and content creation. First, Suno AI is built for music creation. You can describe a song, provide lyrics, upload audio, and generate complete tracks with vocals and production. Cut! Its current paid plans also include V5.5, advanced editing, stem separation, and custom voice features. Suno. Voicemod is completely different. It's primarily a real-time AI voice changer for gaming, streaming, calls, and content creation. It can transform your microphone into different voices and effects with very low latency. Voicemod. Let's start with Suno. I'll give it a prompt like modern emotional English pop, male vocals, atmospheric piano, warm synths, deep bass, cinematic drums, powerful, catchy chorus. Suno can turn that description into a complete song. You can also write your own lyrics and control the structure with sections like a verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. This is where Suno completely dominates. Voicemod isn't designed to create full songs. Its job is to transform the voice you're already speaking or singing with. Winner? Suno. Now let's switch to Voicemod. I speak into my microphone, choose an AI voice, and the software transforms my voice in real time. You can use effects like pitch changes, robot, radio, distortion, reverb, and AI character voices. Voicemod also has 200 plus crafted voices, plus a huge community voice library. Voicemod. This is perfect for Discord, gaming, Twitch, YouTube live streams, and character content. Suno can't compete here because it isn't a real-time voice changer. Winner, Voicemod. For AI music, Suno. For real-time voice changing, Voicemod for song creation, Suno for gaming and streaming. Voicemod for music production, Suno for voice effects. Voicemod. So there's actually no reason to call one universally better. Their purposes are completely different. Suno has a free plan with 50 credits renewing daily, but free plan songs are for non-commercial use. Its Pro plan currently starts at $8 per month when billed annually and includes commercial use rights for new songs created while subscribed. Suno Voicemod also offers free voice effects on Windows and macOS with additional voices and customization available through its broader ecosystem.